In this upcoming tutorial, I'm going to show you a Yahoo page most people don't even know exists, but it explains why your inbox keeps getting flooded with Yahoo emails. You're going to start by opening your Yahoo Mail and then hover your mouse over the profile icon at the top. Click on Manage Your Account. Yahoo will ask you to log in again. That's normal. Once you're in your account, click Privacy Controls. Scroll until you see Manage Your Yahoo Mail Marketing Communications. It brings you to this Message Preferences screen. This is not your inbox settings. This is where Yahoo controls newsletters, alerts, promotions, partner offers, app notifications. This is actually Yahoo emailing you. So this is the reason why the unsubscribe link didn't fix it. When you unsubscribe from one Yahoo email, you only unsubscribe from that one list. Yahoo runs dozens of categories, as you can see right here, so people kept unsubscribing and Yahoo kept emailing. This page is the master control panel. If you don't turn things off here, you'll keep getting mail, even if you clicked unsubscribe. So basically, how do you use this page? You don't need to read everything. Just scroll, uncheck what you don't want, click save, and that's it. This page controls marketing and content emails only. Account alerts and security messages cannot be turned off here. Now, here's one thing I want to share with you right now. When you go to this page, you're going to notice all of these items that you can cherry pick and turn them off or on. But let me just show you one thing that you might want to be conscious of. If you just scroll to the very bottom of this list and you want everything turned off, you can just flip one switch and unsubscribe from all Yahoo marketing communications. So just click on that one button and it turns everything off at the same time. Notice how it's located at the bottom of the screen. So now you're frustrated because you could have just went down there, flipped off the switch, and been done. Okay? I'm going to turn mine back on. But anyway, the bottom line is, once you make all your changes, make sure that you click on the save button so that these choices are saved. Please share your comments, recommendations, and experiences. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next episode.